Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are at a Canadian Tire Simoniz Touchless wash located on Mapleview Drive West in Barrie. I'm not going to show you how dirty the car is because I need to make this quick. So let's go to the car. Alright, I'm going to pause it for now. So as you can see here, the stop X doesn't work, but I think the go sign does. We'll have to wait and see. And the other thing I wanted to mention is we got the regular wash. It was $13.49. A little bit pricey, but that's okay. Oh, I hear the dryer, so I guess it's our turn. So the code is 26798. We wait for the beep. Here we go. You should hear a beep. I just heard the beep. Okay. 26798. Yep, the go sign does work. And this is a Bellinger tunnel, laser wash 360 plus. You may remember last time we did one at the Ultra wash tunnel in Barrie. We're getting the cleaning first, a pre-soak cleaning product. It's now being applied to our vehicle. Smells good. It's another one. And we're getting it applied. It's another one. Do it from here. Doing a heavy duty rinse. Okay, we've got the go sign again. Now we're gonna go through the Bellinger dryers. Air drying, thank you. Sponsored by WeatherGuard. Oh, and it's doing something apparently. certified PDQ. You can see. And that's it. Well guys, thanks so much for watching. And make sure you go watch my latest train video if you haven't already. Like if you enjoyed the video, that also notifies me for when I upload a great content video. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Have a good rest of your day or night that you are currently having. Bye.